Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Roblox error disconnected. There was a problem in streaming data, please reconnect. Error code 261. So if you're getting this error code 261 in Roblox on PC, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to delete Roblox folder from temp folder and then clear cache of Roblox from web browser as well. So first of all, press Windows plus R to open run box. And in the run box type %local app data % and then click OK. Now look for the temp folder. Here it is. Open the temp folder. Then here look for the Roblox folder. Here it is, Roblox folder. Right click on it and then select delete to delete it. And then open Chrome. Click on this three dot. Then click on settings. Go to privacy and security. Scroll down. Click on third party cookies. Then click on see all site data and permissions, and here search for Roblox and then click on this trash icon next to roblox.com and then click on delete to confirm, and then you can go ahead, launch Roblox and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to switch account. Now if you're having the issue in one account, then you can switch to another account and check if the error is fixed or not. Fix 3 is to check your internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly and it is stable. Or you can switch internet connection. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then you can connect to a different mobile data via hotspot and then check, or you can also connect to a different Wi-Fi network and then check. Fix 4 is to check for Windows update. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on Windows update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC after installing the update. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the Roblox app and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to connect to VPN. So you can connect to a VPN of your any choice, such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, SurfVPN, ExpressVPN. So there are lots of VPN available online. You can download and install them and then launch the VPN app, connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the Roblox app and check if your error is fixed or not. Now if you're already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. So first of all, uninstall Roblox from your PC and then reinstall. You can install Roblox from the official website. This is the official website. And then click on download Windows app. And when this Roblox player installer.exe file get downloaded, then click it and install it. Or you can also install the Roblox from the Microsoft Store. So in Windows search type Microsoft Store and open it, and here search for Roblox, then click on Roblox Windows. I have already installed the Roblox through the Microsoft Store, so it is showing play button, but in your case it will show the get button or install button. So install it and then you can go ahead, launch the Roblox app and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve a Roblox error disconnected. There was a problem streaming data, please reconnect, error code 261 on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.